All right, y'all, we got a banger video for you guys today, but before we get started, we still got the giveaway going on. I think we got 7 days left in the giveaway until that car, it could be yours. All you have to do to get entered to win is go to lsnasty.com. First link in the description below. We're rocking the small block Ford Nasty stuff. Hats are coming soon, I promise, but we got this badass small block Ford Nasty shirt up there. It says distributor in the front, party in the back, just like all you small block Ford guys know. If you got an LS, you have no idea what I'm talking about. You just don't know. Luckily,
they are growing over here.
Luckily, we get a little bit of taste of everything, so we are well informed over here. We're equal opportunity ass haulers over here. Small block Ford Nasty shirt up on the site. I got a brand new LS Nasty American flag inspired shirt, which is absolutely sick. 4th of July's coming up. Get them now, and you get entered to win a whole car. For those of you guys that don't know, here, we'll walk over here. It's been sitting here. It's getting ready for the no prep this weekend because we're running it in the street car class.
One small block Ford, a second small block Ford, third one hopefully this week.
All right, here it is. This is the car we're giving away. It is shined up. It's got chicken grease on the tires, so it's ready to go. It is a LS swapped nitrous HOLLEY EFI. It has TH400, freak show converter, built 8.8 rear end, strange suspension all around, 2 Kirky seats, comes with 2 10-pound nitrous bottles, they'll be full, and it'll have a tune for race gas and pump gas. Like I said, it's on HOLLEY Terminator, running dry nitrous through there. It has a standalone fuel system, so if you want to set it up for pump gas, we can do that. We'll put a pump gas tune in there, and you can run it off the standalone. It comes with a 200, 250, and 300 shots. It's currently pilled for 300, so this thing right here, peel your muffin cap back.
We'll even send it down the road with the extra 10 gallons of gas.
Whoa,
I'll throw that in.
That wasn't in the budget.
Hey, neither was that nitrous bracket, but...
That what?
Bockel.
Look at that. Look at that thing. Dude, you take this to car shows, and people think it's a Carbird. You can be up here like, whap, 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 whap. But yeah, this thing is, this thing's sweet. It's like, this right here is the ultimate street strip cruiser. Take your girlfriend out, get you a girlfriend, take your wife out, get you a wife, take your neighbor's wife out, go out to get some ice cream, go to a car show, put the slicks on it, take it to the track, take it to the no prep, have some fun. The car drives great on the street. It gets a ton of looks. I mean, the interior is super clean. It really is. It's just a solid car. I'm currently looking for the next car for the giveaway. This one right here I got off Tyler Long and his dad. They built it together. They did an absolutely awesome job on the build. We did a couple things, like we put it on HOLLEY, set it up for dry nitrous and stuff like that, which I think made the car a little bit nicer. Not that it wasn't nice before, but just kind of put our touch to it. We put a harness bar in there, so it's got a 5-point harness for the driver's seat. It's a solid car. I'm very excited to give this away. I do the giveaways because I think it's absolutely sweet to be like, here's a turnkey car. You've been watching videos. You might have a car at home. You've been dreaming about going to the racetrack. Now you can go out there and you could do it. Like what we do here is my goal is to take people at home watching and put them in the driver's seat. So it's like when you're sitting there at the no prep and there's just a million people around you and you could feel the energy and your heart's pounding, like, I don't get to feel it by myself anymore. Y'all could feel it. So some people think I do the giveaways for a bunch of different reasons. I think it's cool just to give away. I mean, dude, whose dream is it not to have something like this to give to someone and say, like, it's done, it's complete, or it's a project. It is what, like, it's a blank canvas when you get it. You can do whatever you want. So if you can't tell, I put a lot of heart and a lot of passion and pride in this stuff. I work with a trophy case. I try to give you guys, like, the best apparel possible. Super high quality. It's all screen print, no DTG. I try to get stuff out in a proper, timely manner. We have 5 days. We're shipping everything out in 5 days. We haven't missed our mark once, so those guys are over there killing it. We got stickers. We got a mystery box. First time doing a mystery box. I think you guys really enjoyed it. I know where we need to improve to bring you guys a better mystery box for the next one. New shirts, hats. I mean, we got boxer socks. I really want to just be able to bring you guys, like, the baddest merchandise, so you guys want one to rock the merchandise, but also have an opportunity to win something sweet. So I think that's it. So some people say, man, I'm tired of the merch plug, but hey, we're doing it for I mean, I'm doing it. I'm not going to stop doing it.
We're still living off our motto, couch to Kirky.
Oh yeah, our motto, dude, from couch to Kirky. That's it right there. That's what the giveaway is all about. So this thing right here, I mean, it's a good looking car. It's on a set of Bogart wheels, which are shined up, absolutely awesome. This thing, it's just, dude, it's just a badass car. It really is a badass car. That one's got some, like, did they get the glue out of it?
I think the other side did.
No, this is the one that was full of glue.
No, this one was.
No, this was it. Hey, This was it. Dude, had these guys come and detail this thing, and last time we were at the No Prep Logan. I'm starting to talk like you now.
No. It wasn't me.
It was you.
I never squatted any glue.
Dude, neither of us can talk right now. It's like 10:30 at night. But Logan, he's taking the fall for this one. He had the bucket. This is when he had the nozzle.
Yeah,
the nozzle.
The def nozzle.
The def nozzle sprayed it all down the freaking side.
It got all over that side of the car.
Didn't pour the puddle big enough. And then I think it was Matt. Matt literally just poured all this glue right in this beautiful Bogart wheel, and it just wouldn't come off. And those guys polished it. So hell yeah, appreciate that. That's awesome. Can't wait to give that thing away. And just like my F450, it's got a crack in the windshield. I think every car I've given away has got a crack in the windshield. Is it not?
I think so.
So all right. So, we got to get down to business. Done with the merch plug. It was a little bit longer than normal, but I had to get you guys all the information. Now you know why I'm doing the giveaways.
We're back here with Pilot John.
I'm actually not a pilot, per Logan. He said, at this point in my career, I'm just a flight person.
You can't be a pilot, bud.
Not yet. All right, a little backstory. We were out here once already, and then I thought I couldn't get the remote controller to work. So we went back to the shop, little to find out it all worked fine. So let's see if I remember how to get this shit to work.
Next, we're gonna put John in an actual airplane and see if he can really fly.
Dude, oh, she's talking to me. Hey! Hey, we back. It's been a while since we've been here flying. Nothing fast and exciting today. Gotta make sure, I don't know which flight mode I have on. They have like, one of these is beginner, and one of these is you're about to crash. So I think we're on beginner. We're just gonna take a nice little stroll out here. We're gonna get Logie behind the sticks and see how it goes. This is just an intro to a great video we have.
Return of flight number 1.
Oh God, dude, it don't want to go up. Yep. Oh God, dude. Oh.
Don't lose in them trees. We already lost one plane back there.
Dude, I can't get it back. Here we go again. Here we go again!
Give us a good flyover.
Right there. You had it right there with you flipping all over. I mean, it's tough to tell where you're standing from here, to be honest.
I'll walk to it.
How close are you?
It's like 4 foot. You got plenty of room.
All right, here, you're fucking done, Logan. I'm gonna kill you. What if I did? I go to jail then because I announced it. Oh God.
First degree murder. Plan.
Yo, how close is
That
that?
was like 2 foot. Like I could have reached my hand out and grabbed the fish.
Oh! Dude, there's something out there.
Timmy, are you working to zoom with this thing?
All right, backflip. Here we go. Backflip. Straight up stall. Straight up stall. Get off the road.
You gotta start lower.
What do you mean?
Get a run at it, Bo. Alright, now go straight up. Full speed.
Dude, I literally didn't do anything.
Holy fuck.
I literally didn't do anything. I swear I didn't do anything. It literally just...
What that motherfucker hit? That fucking hit. Oh!
Yo, literally it hit so hard, the battery holder came out of it, but the battery's still in it. Dude, I don't know what happened. That's what I'm saying. It's just like out of nowhere, it just does whatever it wants. Oh, look at the mark. Hey, look. Logan's dead. Look at
I'm cramping so bad.
Yo, look at this. This mark.
Oh,
damn it, dude. I can't keep these suckers together. Talk about the Blizzard over here. I'm moving full steam ahead on this build. I want to get all the parts here so we can get it done. One thing I really need to do is get a set of wheels and tires for it, because I need to be able to put it on the ground, move it around, set ride height, make sure the motor gets in there good. Like, having it on jack stands is nice, but I want to be able to put it down on the ground, get project tabs for it, get a set of projects for it. So I'm trying to order wheels, and I've been fighting back and forth on what wheels I want, what brand I want, what style I want. I'm just trying to get it all figured out, and I'm going back. I need your help. So first of all, before I ask you guys, I'm going to ask Logan, what style wheel do you think I should run front and back?
Bogarts.
They don't make a spindle mount front, so just
Trial and error.
trial and error. We're just going to make our own. What do you think? I mean, they don't have to match. I could run a Bogart rear and a different wheel up front. One thing I will say, all the cars I got, they all have some sort of black wheel on them. I want to go with a true set of polished wheels.
Chrome dome gets you home.
Yeah, that's it right there. I don't know if the dome part was in that saying, but sure.
Chrome and dome gets you home.
The car is going to be a solid color, so I want to do polished wheel front and back, all polished, no black on it.
We gotta go with the striking color for the car then.
What do you think? What do you want to see like wheel wise? Like I want like brand.
Oh, we gotta
model.
have like 17 fronts regardless.
17 fronts for sure. So I'm glad you brought that up, because over here I got a set of spindle mount 15s, which are for sale if someone's interested in them. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. They came with the car. Tires are in decent shape as well. 15-inch spindle mount V-Series. If you guys are interested in these, let me know. These things literally weigh like an ounce. They're not heavy at all. So let me know if you're interested in those. What do you think?
Let's talk about a color for it first.
No, we're talking about the wheels. What do you want to see? What brand? Let's start off with brand for you, Logan. I want everyone to start thinking, get the gears turning, because I'm gonna come and ask you in a second. What brand?
Some probably 17-inch badass RCs.
You want RC components? I've never owned a set of RC components.
We haven't.
Never in my life.
Oh, none of us have here.
No. I'm almost like Bogart wheels, yes. Jegs wheels, yes. Weld wheels, yes.
I already told you what we should put on the back. No one has rims.
He wants a set of Jegsters.
I said we should get a set of Jegsters double beat locked.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Ultimate budget.
Alright, so I'm giving up on trying to find out what wheel Logan wants, because we're like 2 minutes into this clip and he hasn't suggested a brand.
No, I think 17-inch RCs on the front and like a 15 by 12 on the back.
This car right here, it has a pretty good mini tub in there. The frame's been notched so you can fit a much wider rim. You can run a 14-inch wide on here, but I'm not going to run a 14-inch wide because I want to run this car at like marginal tracks, and I definitely think after running the 14 wide on the Black Sheep as much as I do, that tire makes it a little bit harder to get down a marginal track. So I think a 12 wide will give you optimal stretch. Car will drive really good, but it's not too wide where it takes away some forgiveness. So I got a set right here of Built Specialties. You guys know Timmy. He had this one for mock-up on his car. I believe this is a 4.5-inch backspace wheel. The rear end is close to centered. It's very important when you're like mocking up a wheel on a car that the rear end's centered, because if it's not, you're gonna have it like way in on one side and it's gonna be way out on the other side. You can potentially get the wrong fitment, and then you order the wheel and then you're really screwed. So I know right here that the rear end shifted that way about 1/2 inch. So when I put it up there, I'm just going to, see how everything looks and then assume that the wheel is going to sit 1/2 inch further out. But 12-inch wide wheel is pretty much like the go-to nowadays. I like the 14 personally, but I think it looks good, but I definitely do think it hurts performance on a shitty track. So that guy on there, what do you think lip-wise? 4.5-inch backspace or 4-inch backspace?
Yeah, it looks like a pretty good lip.
Yeah.
It's hard to beat a fat old lip.
It is. And it looks like it's in there significantly enough where we can move the rear end over 1/2 inch and it'd be good to go. So I wonder if it says what the back spacing is on this thing right here.
Guarantee it probably does.
15 by 12, 4-inch backspace. So that's exactly what I need, 4-inch backspace. I thought it was 4.5, it's 4-inch. Wow, literally, remember I was trying to measure this the other day and I couldn't figure it out? But I definitely think this is good fitment. But really, I'm pretty much making this whole entire video so you guys at home can comment and tell me what you think I should run wheel-wise. The front end is limited to a spindle mount, 17-inch. I know I want to run a 17. It's got to be spindle mount. So look at your options there. Comment down below what you think. The back, it's got to be 5 by 4.5, which really doesn't matter. Like, you can get wheels either way. But it's got to be a 15 by 12, 4-inch backspace. And I think that one is the money. So it'll be good if I decide to put a 9-inch in this car ever. The wheel is still good. As far as, you know, fitment wise, I'll just get the rear end built the same width as this one. All right, well guys, comment down below. Let me know what wheel combo you want to run. I'm probably gonna run a slick and a radial on this car. I'll run both depending on what track we're at. So let me know. Double beadlock, 15 by 12, 4-inch backspace, 5 by 4.5. So if you guys have a set that are like brand new, laying around all polished, I'll take them. But yeah, this thing is sweet. I feel like this is a very underrated build on the channel. Like, it's going to come together.
I think it's going to come together very quickly.
And people are going to be like, damn, that thing's badass. Like, no one's talked about the Blizzard build ever.
I can't wait to do a burnout on it.
Hired gun. LP.
They're going to get to see the Logie cam tomorrow.
Oh, we getting some Logie cam tomorrow? Hell yeah. We're going testing. We're going testing tomorrow. My favorite.
He get to buy this round. John Doc got to buy this round. The Black Sheep on the property. He got to buy for the next round.